Let's say you have two level indexing. Fine. One block number you have is of 32 bits and you have block size is equal to, okay, let me take it as 64 bits. One block number is of 64 bits. One block size is 2 kilobyte. What is the maximum file size? So first of all, we will have to know that how many entries we can keep in a single block. One block number is 64 bit, means how many bytes? 8 bytes. Okay, so how many number of entries in a single block you can keep? Number of index entries. In a single block. How many number of entries in a single block? Number of entries in a single block will be equal to block size is 2 kilobyte divided by 8 byte. 2 power 11 divided by 2 power 3, it is 2 power 8, which is 256 entries. Okay, फाइन। चल अब आगे बढ़ते हैं। 2 power 8 entries you can keep. Now look at this. You will have first level index block. That index block having how many entries? 2 power 8 entries. How many entries? 2 power 8 entries. Now each entry will lead you to have another block which is another index block. It is not having the file, but it is having the another index block, and that index block can keep how many such entries? 2 power 8 entries more, and each entry will be of a block. That block is storing the file of 2 kilobyte 2 kilobyte files, 2 kilobyte of file. Similarly, here also another entry will be there. That entry will lead me to have another file block which will store 2 kilobyte. Such kind of how many entries? 2 power 8. And similarly, this second entry will lead me to have another index block, and each index block will be having 2 power 8 entries. So how many such index block we will be having? Such index blocks 2 power 8, and each index block is containing 2 power 8 entries. So total number of indexing will be 2 power 8 blocks, each block containing 2 power 8 entries, and each entry is of a particular block of 2 kilobyte. Batao, what will be the size of file? 2 power 8 into 2 power 8 into 2 power 11, 16 and 11, 37. Which is 128 gigabytes. Oh, not 37, really sorry, 27. So it will be 128 megabytes. That can be the maximum file size we can have. Tell me now, is that fine? समझ में आया? So if you are having two level indexing, in single index block you can keep 2 power 8 entries. Hence, two level indexing will have total 2 power 8 into 2 power 8 number of entries for the block numbering. Each block can store 2 kilobyte of file. So answer will be maximum file size this much. Somebody is asking really good question, इससे memory wastage होगा? Of course memory wastage होगा, but the thing is in the memory means in the hard disk we have enough space actually, but the hard disk is so slow to respond. So we will always try कि if we give extra space also for the memory storage, it's fine. For the file storage, if we give extra space, it's fine. But if we can access the file quickly, then it will be a better thing for me, just because a user needs a quick response from your computer. And when computer gets delayed just because of the hard disk and file access, of course user will not like it. Okay, you can give little bit extra space to the file, but give me the access quicker that I need, I'm giving it. All those members who are asking the question about anything, that from where to what I'll have to follow, please come tomorrow in the special class, in a special session on YouTube only, on this channel only, 2:30 p.m. and I will be coming live to answer your questions only.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging gate contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.